Librarian Bangor, Maine taught a 1 hour class on how to turn off the AI on your phone, and she had to cap the room at 30 and open a wait list. Her usual class, Intro to Computers, which is probably followed by the class Intro to Living in the 21st Century, draws about a dozen people. This class on how to turn off the AI pulled close to 70, counting the Zoom crowd, and the next session filled up the same way. So, why are librarians teaching people to avoid AI? Because the class is literally called Avoiding AI. Hannah Cyrus walks people through turning off Apple Intelligence, shutting off Gemini, and one trick the room started trading on its own, which is you can just add ampersand UDM equals 14 to a Google search, and the AI answers just fall away. I think it's awesome that the fix for Google's shiny new AI search is a short character code that apparently the audience has now passed on. It's gone somewhat viral. So when I first read this, kind of figured it was a one-off stunt. And then I saw a second librarian, Charlie Bailey, ran the same class down in South Philadelphia. He blew past his room's capacity. He had to schedule a second one. The library's post about it did over 2,000 likes on an account where a good day is maybe a couple dozen. This is not a class in how to turn your computer on. The people packing that library are going to use AI. What sets them off is how AI showed up. Apple and Google switched it on for them and then went and hid the way to switch it back. And I'm saying hid politely. Both toggles do exist. They're just deep enough hidden that 70 grown adults will go up an evening just to have somebody walk them through how to find them. And who do they trust to give that switch back? Oh yeah, the long forgotten librarians. These are the same reference desk that spent 30 years teaching people how to use computers is now the place that you apparently go to ask how to opt out of them. Charlie Bailey, the Philadelphia librarian, called it helping people reclaim autonomy. And if you built this stuff for a living, that should sting a little. I have built companies for 25 years, and on by default is almost always about increasing your adoption numbers of that new feature. So your calmest, least cynical users are showing up at a public library for an off switch that you could have just handed them. So my bet is within a year, some company is probably going to ship an off by default and charge you for it, like sell it like a feature. So do you actually want the AI gone, or you just want to be the one who decides if it's going to be on your own? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.